Hi, it's Steve here, and in this video I am unboxing this Masterplug 6-pin 6-plug extension thing. It's got two USBs, two lights which I've heard are too bright. I've also, in one review on Amazon, someone said that it did make a small sound. So I'm gonna maybe just plug it into another socket. If these are too bright, all you've got to do is use a black electrical tape. So we've got 6 sockets, 2-meter cable, USB power, surge protection, unlimited guarantee, asterisk if you get hit by lightning. I'm not sure how good that guarantee is. And I've heard that the website where you claim it doesn't actually work properly, so that's interesting. USB power, I've heard that it is just 1 amp that you get with this, which the iPad uses 2 amps, so it's, you plug an iPad in, it will take twice as long to charge. So yeah, I mean, it's probably fine if you're doing it overnight, but if you want something quick and if you want something to charge your stuff up quickly, then this probably won't be it. So I'll just peel this off. But you've got the power indicator. Power is being given. Surge indicator. So if that's not on, you've not got surge protection. 6 surge protected sockets, so they're all surge protected. I mean, I've never really had a problem in the years that I've been alive on this planet with electricity. I've not electrocuted myself yet. But there's always a first time for anything. So this is kind of a bit of a strange packaging we have here. Yeah. So how does one actually get the bloody thing out? They really do need to sort out their packaging. What are you supposed to do? So if this is going back to Amazon, if you do buy this from Amazon and it's got someone has cut a thing here, then there we go. Right, Jesus, got it. So let's take a closer look at this. So this feels quite sturdy, like it's not going to pull out. I think that dirt is from me, not the box. It looks all right. These are not buttons. They just, apparently they flash USB power. That's it. This is slightly creaky. A bit there's a little gap there that you push. Yeah. So I'm now going to turn it on. As you can see, there's a blue and a white light there. They do seem to flicker. I'm not sure if you will get that on the video, but there is a sort of like a slight flicker. It's not really noticeable that much. So I'm now going to plug the USB for my iPhone 5 in to this one, and it charges, it works. So whether this is a quick charge or not, I'm not sure. So it's charging. You just about see there. So yeah, I assume both ones will work. Yeah, both charge. So I've now plugged in my filthy George Foreman grill, and I'm just going to see if there's any sound coming from the machine here, because I have heard there is a sound. The iPhone 5 is still charging, so if this does make any sound, you'll probably hear it from the directional mic, which I've now got on, so I'll shut up for 5 minutes, 2 per minute.